Welcome back, traders. If you'll be watching my videos on YouTube for some time right now, and then you meet this particular trade, which is 1:10, I'm going to be a little bit disappointed in you because you're not putting in practice what you're learning from my YouTube page. And then if you're my students right here, and then you meet this particular trade, which is 1:23, it's still the same trade right here, but I taught you guys on how to go down to lower time frame. So I'm not expecting you to meet this particular trade, and then I'm expecting you to make more ratio than people watching my YouTube videos, because I train you guys on how to go down to lower time frame and then how to enter into a trade like this, and also how to set what your take profit. And then if you're watching my video for the first time, I'm going to break every single thing down for you. So next time, if you see an opportunity like this, you know how to go into the trade, and then you know how to increase what your risk reward ratio. So let us go into the video right now. Okay, so this is the trade right here. You can see this is the trade. Let me delete this and then start from the beginning, the analysis. So next time you see a trade like this, you know how to enter into the market. Price really moved today very well. It ended up giving like a 1:23, even more than that. Okay, let me just make it obvious right here. Okay, so the analysis start from daily time frame actually. Let me start from higher time frame. Okay. So the analysis start from daily time frame. Can you see we have what? One eye right here. Can you see we have one eye right here? So we have another eye right here. Can you see? So we have another eye right here. So right here you can see the price end up breaking only one eye, and then I've told you guys on my YouTube page that it is difficult for price to break two levels in the market, two eye in the market at the same time. So once price end up breaking one eye, price is going to react before breaking the second one. So that does it. So immediately price end up breaking this particular eye right here, you're going to study this particular moment to find what an opportunity, just like to sell the trade, because you know that price is going to react. What do I mean by price reacting here? Okay, before price can end up breaking this particular eye, this is a daily time frame, we have to have a whole full day to end up as what? A bearish candle. So a whole full day out to close what? As what? A bearish candle, because it is difficult for price to break two levels in the market. So that is the reason why whenever price end up breaking two eye in the market, I end up calling the order block responsible as what? A reorder block. We have four different things on how to identify a reorder block in the market. So this is the first way right here. So you can see that price end up breaking two low. So this is the first low, and then the second low right here. And the price is going to respect the order block responsible, because it is difficult for price to break two level in the market. So whenever price end up breaking two level in the market, I classify that particular order block responsible as what? A reorder block. But the name I gave to it is just like a funded block. So I've taught you guys about all this, and then if you're watching my YouTube video for the first time, you can watch other videos just like to understand this. So this is the first way on how to identify a reorder block in the market. And then the second way also is just like this. You can see that price end up breaking only one low. So whenever you see that price end up breaking one low, you wait for confirmation before you enter into the market, and the price came all the way down both below its old previous low, and they can probably break another low. That is not really compulsory. So price needs to go above the previous side to take it to what? As what? A liquidity. And then after price end up taking the high as a liquidity, price goes to respect the order block above it to you to come all the way down. The logic behind it is still the same thing, because it is difficult for price to end to break two eye in the market at the same time. And then whenever price end up breaking one eye, price is going to react to respect the one above it, and then use it to come all the way down. So this is just like the logic behind this. And then the reason why, just because there are some traders that are using every single supply and demand zone in the market. They don't know the supply and demand zone that is what? A real supply and demand zone in the market. So price is going to like to stop them out, and then later go to your direction. That's the reason why you see a lot of traders going to say, oh, price is not stopping me out, and then later go to my direction, just because they're making of the wrong supply and demand zone. And then don't forget, every single supply zone and also demand zone are also what? Order block. It's just like different name give it to you from different traders. So that is just for that. Right here, you can see that price end up breaking this particular high. What you're going to do now is just like to study the movement when price is going what? On a bullish direction. So this is just like you understanding the power of the first time frame. I've created a video about it, and then I'm still going to mention it right here, even though I've trained all my students about it, but I'm still going to like to do a little bit recap right here. So you guys watching my videos on YouTube, you can also have understanding about it, how it works. So right here, what you're going to be doing right now is just like to study this particular movement when prices go what? On a bullish direction, just like to find what opportunity, just like to enter into the market. So this is what? A daily time frame right here. And then moving down to 4 hour time frame, you can see we have a new movement. Can you see we have a new movement right here? Okay, let me reduce this. So this is because what's our new range. So this because our new range right here, and then actually price end up coming all the way down without retesting the reorder block in this particular area. So if you only stick to this, you are going to miss this particular trade right here for real. Let's check our 3-hour time frame. Okay, so let's go back to 4-hour time frame. So on 4-hour time frame right now, let me delete this. If you have to like to study the market, you can see that price end up breaking this particular low right here. Okay, there is the first low, and also this is well the second low right here. Can you see? And then this becomes well the reorder block. I mentioned something earlier on of which I train all my students about. Sometimes price doesn't get to the reorder block. So whenever price is getting on a bullish direction, study the movement when price gain on a bullish direction, and then just like to find what opportunity, just like to enter into the market. So if price end up getting like a confirmation, then you can make use of the confirmation just like to enter into the market, and then you can see that price end up going up right here, creating what an opposite candle right here. So but price not tap into the reorder block, but we have to like to study the movement when price is getting on a bullish direction from this particular low to this particular high, just like to find opportunity to enter into the market. If price at the same time, you have to analyze the market to find a place that price is going to inside this particular area. But if price don't get to this particular area, you know what to do next, so that you not miss the opportunity, because it's not every single time that price will turn back to the reorder block. Price can just react and then later change direction and start being on a bearish direction. So we know on weekly time frame that today's candle is going to end up as a bearish candle, because it is difficult for price to break to level in the market. So price end up breaking this, be expecting price to react, and then after that, before price can end up breaking this particular high. And then if you're checking the market right here from this particular high, you can say, oh, price still coming all the way down to break out this particular low. So it's either two things to happen in the market. Is either price continuing to go on a bearish direction to break this particular low right here, or today candle end up as a bearish candle, and then the next candle starts go on a bullish direction to break this particular high. So you know where to enter into the market next with the second way on how to identify a reorder block that I end up giving you guys for free. Actually, we have like 4 different ways, but the third way and also the fourth way I supposed to measure it earlier on, but I'm not going to measure it because you have to understand the market structure before you can make use of the third way and also the fourth way. So if I end up measuring it and they give you guys for free, there's probability of you like losing trade because you don't have the full understanding about my strategy. That means you're not going to make use of the third way and also the fourth way. But these two ways, the first way and also the second way on how to identify a reorder block, is very okay for you. You can still be profitable using these two ways on how to identify a reorder block. Okay, so price end up breaking this and then this, so you expect the price today to end up as a bearish candle, and then the next candle start be on a bullish direction. So either break this particular high, and then price will come all the way down, take out the low, respect the order block below it. So this is what I'm just talking about. So price came all the way down right here. Price can do something like this, and then price push out to bring this particular high. So if price refuses to break the overall high, so you can enter into the market using an order block right here to buy the market. Can you see, to buy the market? So this is what is probably going to happen. And then if this does not happen, price is going to like to take out this particular low as what in liquidity before we on a bullish direction. So we are expecting these two things to happen right now. But tomorrow, if price end up giving a bullish trade, I'm going to enter into a bullish trade. So you also, with what I'm going to teach you right now, if price end up giving a bullish entry, so you can make use of these techniques also to enter into a bullish trade tomorrow without expecting price to break this particular low. So it's either two things. It's either price end up breaking this low and then start being on a bullish direction, or price start moving on a bullish direction to break this particular high right here. So that's just for that. Okay, let's go back to like 4-hour time frame. So right now you have to study inside this particular moment when price is going on a bullish direction. So this is what we're going to do right now. So let's go down to like a 3-hour time frame. So when price goes on a bullish direction, so this 3-hour time frame, let's move down to like 2-hour time frame. What you're just looking for, just like you are looking for an opposite candle right here. So whenever you're able to see an opposite candle, you can use that particular time frame just like to judge the market and then wait for price to break it, and then make use of the order block that is responsible or the reorder block in the market. So let me delete these two lines so it will confuse us. Let me delete these two right here. Okay, so we are starting inside this particular moment from 1 hour time. Okay, so our time frame to 1 hour time frame. So we are unable to like to see what an opposite candle right here. Can you see? You can see an opposite candle right here. So let's share 45 minutes time frame. Okay, on 45 minutes time frame right now, we are able to like to see what our first opposite candle. Can you see this is our first opposite candle right here? And then this is the second one right here. Okay, So you understanding the power of the first time frame. I've trained all my students about this. So what you're going to do next is you're like to adjust what's your range. So this becomes what's your new range. This becomes what's your new range, because you want to get into the market as fast as possible so you won't miss what's your entry. So this is 45 minutes right now. Let's go down to like 30 minutes time frame. It's remained the same. Let's check out 20 minutes. 20 minutes also remain the same. Let's check out 15 minutes time frame. Let me just use bar test. I think that is going to really help us. So this is what 20 minutes. Let's use 10 minutes time frame. Okay, so on 10 minutes time frame right now, we have what? One single low. Can you see? We have this particular low right here. So you have this particular low right here. What are going to, okay, let me check 12 minutes time frame, because it's like, okay, so on 12 minutes time frame, you can see we have only one single low. Can you see we have only one single low? On 10 minutes time frame, it look as if I'm seeing two lows. So I want to call this one a low. So I have to like to check the higher time frame to confirm either this one is a low right here or not a low. So let's stick with our 12 minutes time frame. So we only have one single low right here. So what are we expecting? We're expecting price so also continue give on a bullish direction. I've trained you guys on how to identify a fake breakout, a fake break or structure. This is not what a break or structure. This can result to what a change of character. What I mean by a change of character just means when prices come all the way down right here, price end up taking out this particular low, and the price can continue give on a bullish direction. So a lot of traders understand that, okay, whenever price end up breaking a low, this is what a break or structure. This is not what a break or structure. It can be a change of character. A change of character is when price end up breaking a particular low. Let's assume that price getting up right now. Okay, price came all the way down, break this particular low, and also break the up. Can you see the upper part? So this is what a change of character. This is what I call a change of character. Price end up taking out the lows for people using supply and demand zone. So this particular demand zone is not going to work. They're going to lose what a trade right here, and then the thing that price end up breaking structure. So they're going to make use of what the order block above, we just like to sell the market, and the price end up breaking the high also. So this is what a change of character. And then if you want me to create a full video on how to identify a change of character from break or structure in the market, you can comment in the comment section right now. So I'm going to do that for you guys. So let me delete this. So what you're going to be expecting right now is you're like, it's neither price end up breaking this particular high right here. Okay, let me delete this. It's either price end up breaking this particular high right here, or price later do something like this, push up, and then later come all the way down. So price going to like to take out this particular high as what liquidity, and then respect the other block above it to use it to come all the way down. So don't forget the second way on how to identify the other block that I gave you guys earlier on. So it's either it's happen or the other one, which is price going to take out this particular high and then continue go to a bullish direction, and also price can end up come all the way down, just like to give us confirmation to enter into the market. So right here, let me just play out the market to see what happened in the market. Let me change this one to like what else. Okay, okay, price end up going up. Can you see right here, price end up displaying what you want in the market. Let me delete this. Okay, so right here, okay, price here try to go below this particular low. We are going to wait for price to go below this particular low right here before you can make use of what the other block above it. There's a price here to create another new low under its old range. So it's either price end up creating another new low under its old range, or end up breaking one low at the far left side. So let's just observe and then see what happened in the market. Okay, can you see that price end up breaking this particular low right here? Price end up breaking its own low, so price is pushing what on a bullish direction. So this kind of view was like a confirmation, just like to sell the market. So this is how to like to enter into this particular trade. So price going to like to take out this particular high as what a liquidity. So the first time you can see the two. So you can see the two ways on how to destroy the other block. It's end up playing out right here. So price end up breaking one low, can you see, and the price end up going below, and the price end up going below its own low again. So this is indicating that price is going on a bearish direction, not on a bullish direction. So you need to check out 10 minutes time frame very well, so you're going to understand what really happened right here. Can you see price end up breaking this particular low, and the price came all the way down, go below its own low. So this is indicating that price is going to take out this particular high right here as what a liquidity, because this is what a supply zone. Some traders are going to make use of this particular order block right here, just like to sell the market. Meanwhile, I thought you guys that should make use of the order block above it, because price not break any low at the power left side, and then just will end up breaking one single low, making use of the 4 different or not at the side the order block. So this is the separate way right here. So this becomes what our reorder block, and then you're going to make use of this particular order block just like to sell the market. Or for me, this particular order block is too big for me, so you have to like to go down to lower time frame just like to increase what our risk to our ratio. And then let me just do this with you guys. Even though I've trained all my students on how to go down to lower time frame to increase what the risk to our ratio. So from 10 minutes time frame, let's move down to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, on 5 minutes time frame right now, the order block remains the same. Let's check on 3 minutes time frame. Okay, on 3 minutes time frame right now, can you see the order block? This is the order block right here, and then this one is partially inside what's our order block. So I just go to make use of the order block above it or draw what's our order block right here. And then you also like to study the movement to see if price end up breaking two lows. Okay, right here price end up breaking this particular low right here. This is the first low, can you see? And then price indicate that is do what on a gray direction. Let me see price end up breaking this particular low right here. Okay, but price not break this particular low. Okay, price not break this particular low, but it's already indicate that it's going on a bearish direction, just like the circle we on out to identify a real order block. So price not going to respect this particular order block right here. Price going to respect the order block above this particular order block. So this order block is already small enough for me to use. And then let's just check our 2 minutes time frame. So I'm just doing this with you guys so you can understand how I was excited to see this particular setup. So next time, if you see a setup like this, you will not need this particular opportunity. So this is the order block right here. Can you see? Okay. Right here on 2 minutes time frame, price end up breaking this particular low. So we have like two low right here. Price end up breaking this low right here. Can you see? Price end up breaking this and also this, but not this one. So don't forget the pause way on outside the order block. Whenever price end up breaking two lows in the market, it's indicated that the order block is what a reorder block. So this becomes what my reorder block right here. Okay, I'm going to make use of this particular order block just like to set what my entry and then take profit. If you end up making use of this particular order block, you can set what to take profit 100% moment, and then you know that price is going what on a bearish direction. So this way I'm expecting you to set what your entry and then your stop loss, and also set what your take profit 100% moment. Even though if you will leave the market right here, you're still going to end up making how many ratio? These are like 1:9. Imagine that, and then this not going to take you off like 15 minutes when price is going to get to what your take profit. But if you have to like to set what your take profit right here, okay, let me delete this line right here. Okay, let me delete it. Okay, it sets what your take profit right here because you know that price still goes on a bearish direction, because a hopeful day out to end up what as a bearish candle before price to end up breaking the daily time frame high, the one I showed you guys earlier on. So if you end up set to what your take profit right here, you're still going to report 1:9, and then if you set what your take profit right here, so this is 1:34. Actually it was 1:23, but this is 1:24 right now. That this is what you're seeing on my screen. So that's just for that. You can end up set to what your take profit right here, and then you know that price is going on a bearish direction. You can still leave your trade till it will run. So right now let me just play out the market to see if price end up picking this particular trade, and then later go towards our direction. Okay, so it's very simple. You just have to like to understand my two trade strategy, and then to know when to enter into the market, to know the order block to use and then the order block not to use. Actually, I have like 4 different on how to satisfy a real order block of which I end up giving like 2 for free on my YouTube page. And then I told you guys the reason why I'm not giving like the third one and also the fourth one, because I don't want you guys to start losing trade by practicing what you don't understand fully. You understand? But with these 2 ways on how to satisfy a real order block, you are still good to go. You are still that price end up getting to what take profits. I think it was less than 45 minutes. We did 45 minutes. Price end up gets slow. What's take profits? 1:3, but this is actually 1:24 right now. So it's very, very easy on how to catch this particular trade. And then I believe what I still right here, next time if you see a setup like this, you know how to go into the market and make this particular profit. It's very, very easy. So let me just do a little bit recap before ending this particular video right now. And then if you're watching this video for the first time, you are just joining my channel for the first time, please subscribe. I really appreciate that. Please subscribe and then like this video right now. Like this video so YouTube is going to push it to many people so they can learn and then start and then stop losing trade. And then if you are yet to be profitable as a forex trader, you can join my mentorship program just like to learn about all these things. It's very, very simple. My trade strategy is very, very simple, and then it's easy to learn, easy to understand, because I only trade order block. You identify a real order block in the market, you get out to lower time frame just like to identify where exactly price is going to, and then you understand the range in the market and also the power of the first time frame. That's every single thing about my trade strategy. If you understand all these things, you are good to go. You are going to be profitable risking less and then making more profit. You can say this is what you should trade for. Imagine you risk 1% of your account and then make it 24% in return just like that. It's very, very easy. If you have been watching my YouTube video for some time right now and then you missed this particular trade, let me know in the comment section the reason why you missed this particular trade. Maybe you're not trading or you're not checking your charts. Just let me know in the comment section. And then if you're my student and then you missed this particular trade right here, let me know the reason why you missed this particular trade in the comment section. Probably in my next video, I can talk about those reasons and then to correct it. So next time you don't make the same mistake by missing this particular trade. It's not compulsory for you to be seeing a setup every single day, but once price end up give what a setup, you end up entering into the market and then make your full money. So you can wait for the price to play out to give you another opportunity, just like to enter into the market. But if price does not give you opportunity, that is fine. You wait for your trade strategy to play out before you enter into the market, and then don't force the market to play out. You understand? So don't forget to subscribe and then like the video right now. See you in my next video.